My name is Andy Salisbury and I'm the General Manager for Psychoflex in Wigan. Our values within Psycha are that we care, we value and we challenge. We care and value about our employees, and we're challenging the way in which we approach health and safety on this site. Our biggest challenge has been to avoid complacency by people. Everyone knows what's expected of them, but it's often easy to be complacent and to forget. So we wanted to introduce new visual signs to make sure that people were responding well to the challenges of health and safety on site and ensuring their safety at all times. We had previous markings on the floor with stickers and vertical signs. But the problem with stickers is they get walked all over, they get scuffed, they become dirty very, very quickly. It can be quite costly to replace them. The idea along the lines of the projectors and the gobo images was both something which is always looking fresh and easy to understand from all employees. And of course, the gobos are easy to replace as well. So if we wanted to provide a different message on the floor, it's very easy for that to happen. We've been really impressed with the projectors that we've had from Meon. We now have 7 on site displaying various different health and safety messages. They're long lasting, more than 10,000 hours per light. So this should keep us with a very good health and safety message for a number of years to come.
I'm Tom Leyland. I am the engineer manager at Psychoflex Wigan. I'm in charge of maintenance and repairs of the building, the machines, and pretty much anything within the fence line of sight. So the main driving force for going for projectors was the maintenance costs and time needed to keep replacing the original ones as stickers or as paint. So the original signage would wear out pretty quick, so you wouldn't see it once it'd been there for a while. With the light-based systems, it draws your attention, so there's no wear on it, so you can actually see it better, and it just highlights the sign a lot more. We wanted to ensure that the signs were visual and they were being adhered to, mainly for safety, but with the benefits that come with it, we're reducing cost on maintenance. To change them over is quite simple and fairly cost effective, and the time it takes to change the signage as well could be quite consuming. The service we've had has been spectacular, from initial contact right the way through to purchasing, and after service has been brilliant, and we look forward to working with them in the future. The installation was pretty simple. We just needed a 240 volt fuse spare or plug socket, and we could run it wherever we needed to run it. So the maintenance aspects of the projectors, it's fairly simple. Just unscrew, replace the gobo and screw it back together. There's very minimal input needed from us for maintenance of it. I can see plenty of uses for the projectors on site, onto the walls, onto the floors, wherever we need to put them. I'd like a motion sensor system on it, which we will look at doing in the future. The system's very versatile. We can use them for whatever sort of image we want to project. We are looking at other images in the future, but as you can see, now we're using it for branding and for safety signs. So just the overall experience with the projectors has been fantastic, and I can see us buying a lot more in the future.
For over 85 years here in Leamington Spa, Thwaites have designed, manufactured and innovated. Firstly in agricultural equipment, then since the early 1950s exclusively in site dumpers for the construction, housing and plant hire markets. Today, the factory employs around 250 people who are supported by the very latest technology, from welding to cutting, painting to assembly, all of which is governed by rigorous quality control and safety standards. The company is proud of its health and safety record and proud of its team's commitment in delivering the programme. Thwaites continually reviews best practice and regularly consults with the market to find the solutions that will add value by further reducing risk, providing enhanced protection to our team, our supply chain and our visitors. One such supplier is Warehouse Safety Solutions from Meon. So let me hand you over to Thwaites Planning and Supply Manager Paul Evitts, who led the project and can tell you more. Paul.
Thanks Will. We first met Meon during a continual safety improvement visit to the health and safety event in 2022. We were really impressed with their product range, safety improvement systems and engagement with our business. This led to discussions in late 2022 around the safety and integration we plan to install in the summer factory shutdown of 2023. This integration centred around external walkways, crossing areas and zone parking areas, all to further improve visibility, distance and protection from on-site traffic, thus reducing and minimising the risk of incident or accident. The safety barriers we selected were the D-Flex barrier series. This system was chosen for its robust design, ease of installation and striking colour combination, with of course all of the supporting impact and protection data. Planned enhancements to the road crossings and at-risk areas in front of the factory doors were also implemented. All to provide improved dynamic paint lines and lanes. The third separate level of protection Meon have installed is racking protection, all to further reduce the risk of impact from vehicles and materials handling equipment. The feedback from colleagues and senior management has been excellent, with the striking appearance being one of the standout comments. Bay numbering system has also received high praise from the operational team. The factory team have adapted well to the new walkways, which is another positive from the planning, installation and communication period. We would certainly recommend Meon as our experience has been first class.
We'll